'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is dead heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire.
It's really worth dying. Hi guys, so guess where we are? So yan, so nandito po tayo ngayon sa...
Sarado siya.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa place kung saan marami pong nagdisgrasya.
Alamin natin kung mga kapitalan.
Alamin siya lang.
So,
together with my driver, Sir Jeff, and I, truly yours.
na nakilala ko sa...
Saan nga ba nagkakilala? Yan, so guys, it's our, both of us, this is our first time traveling here. But unfortunately, we're not able to go from the main spot of this place.
Coffee sa ano? Sa farm? Coffee.
Yeah, so many people were looking at us because we know that it is prohibited to visit in this place, but then we're taking risks just to witness the beauty of this place. Yeah, so there are some security for, and of course magsabi ka sa English ko dahil yun na lang yung content natin.
Pakita mo na
again. Ayan, so guys, it is temporary place daw. So,
ibig sabihin, pwedeng bukas.
hindi natin alam kung ano po yung pinapatayo dyan, but I think there are some renovations that can impress tourists here in our country. Yeah. So, through the beauty of the quality of the cover of Sir Jeff, magiging pogi po tayo dyan. So, shout out po sa Samsung users.
Sa 100 viewers.
Ayan guys, tingnan na natin ilang. Stop muna tayo dito guys kasi picture po natin yung isang ano dito.
Ang ganda, ang galing.
Ano po yung tawag dyan?
Ang galing. Parang pwede ka mag-coffee, mag-ano.
Ano ba yun? Wala
Mami.
Wala namang milk tea dyan. Di naman dyan binili yung milk tea. So joker po si Sir Jeff. Kala po niya may nagtitimpla ng kape doon. May barista. Yeah. So he is longing for a milk tea. Yeah, so we're just going to...
Ito ka nang nag-script nun para sa akin.
And, ayan, so bababa po muna tayo for a while just to feel the presence of this place. Ayan guys, so pababa na po tayo. Yan, so unang apak po natin. Sobrang ganda po. Mafe-feel mo kaagad yung yung mountain. Ayan guys, sobrang ganda po. Oh, look, see. Oh, diba? Ganda. Halika dito. Ayan, so ayan po si Sir Jeff. Tignan niyo kung maigi kung paano po siyang umiti. Dito tayo Sir Jeff. Dito tayo sa gitna ng dito ka nipipicture tapos while filming. Oh yan, I'm going to capture some pictures. Ganito. Ayan, so ano pong masasabi niyo sa first time niyo pong pagdating? 1, 2, 3. Uy, ang ganda ng araw. 1, 2,
Picture yan.
nagpipicture na tapos at the same time video. 1, 2, 3 more.